Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 50. We start with this box. We're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 4, 4 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 2, 3, 4. For this box, looks like we're missing 2 and 8, and I don't see any help, so 2, 8, 2, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 7. Got a 2 here, so 1, 3, 7. 1 and 3 here, so 2, 7. 1 here, so 2, 3, 7. 1 and 3 here, so 2, 7. So if we look, the only place our 1 for the row can be is here, and the only place our 3 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here and a 3 here, so this is our 6. No other help here besides the 3, so this is 2 and 8. We've got the 8 covering these boxes, 3 here, so this is our 2. Is that right? Yep. And the 1, 2, and 8 here means this is our 3. And that 2 makes this our 8. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this box, we're only missing a 4. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 7. 4 here, so 5, 7. That means our 4 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 8. 7 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and a 5 here, so 7, 9. 7 and 9 here, so 3, 5. 7 and 9 here, so 3, 5. But if we look now for this column, the only place our 9 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 5, 6. 6 and the 7 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so 2, 8. We've got 2 3s here and 2 3s here. So let's see. Can I fix that? 1, 2, 3. It's like we were missing a 4 here. We've got 2 4s here. So I wonder if we make this a 4 and this a 3, if that will help anything. Let's try this again. So this column is missing 2, 5, and 8. And the 5 can't be here or here, so it's got to be here. That 5 makes this our 3, 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 4, 3. That 3 makes this our 5, 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 7. This 5 makes this our 7, 5, 7, 5. For this row, we're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing a 1. So that just leaves us with 2s and 8s in these 4. And we can basically just plug those in. 2, 8, 2, 8. And it works out for this square, works out for this square, works out for that row, this column, and this column. Well, what do you know? We managed to save that one. Well, that is it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.